Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox this Huawei Freebuds 6i. But before we start, make sure to like, comment on this video and subscribe. So this is the earbuds. It has a nice color. I really like this color. And I will show you the back. So this Huawei Freebuds 6i has intelligent dynamic ANC 3.0 quad magnet dynamic driver with punchy bass. Focus, it's not focusing. Okay. 36 hours of playback with the case. And now it's time for me to show you the Huawei Freebuds. So this is the Huawei Freebuds, the case, and wow, it has a nice color. Wow, it has a nice color. Let me just pop open. Wow. Oh, I really like these. Oh, I can't. So these are the earbuds. They look good. I really like this color, this chrome purplish color. And I'll show you the case once more. I need to open this. And this is the inside of the case. And oh, there's a button here. I think this is the function button. It said something about you have to press and hold this function button and like keep these earbuds inside and press and hold the function button, and it will pair to your, and you can pair it to your mobile device, and you can pair to whatever device that has Bluetooth and like laptops, computers, and yeah. Oh, let me check. One second. So these are what was in the box. We have a USB type C cable for charging this, and we have extra like ear plugs, so that if these gets damaged, we can replace them. So, and we have a quick start guide, just a little guide on how to use this. And yeah, and I forgot to mention one more thing. This has a high resolution audio, and it's a like wireless high resolution audio. So I forgot to mention one thing. If you want to connect your Huawei Freebuds, you have to do this step, but you have to only do the starting step if you have an Android phone. But if you have a Huawei phone, you can skip the starting, you can skip forward a bit. But if you have an Android phone, I will show you how to download it's an app called AI Life. You need to download that. If you have a Huawei phone, you just have to go to your app gallery and get AI Life. But if you have an Android phone, you have to download app gallery first. So I will show you how to do that. First you take Chrome, then you go to search and search in Huawei app gallery. Then you go there and you take Huawei app gallery website, and you go and you tap this and you will see install app gallery. You tap that, then you go hit download, and you go and open it, and now you can, then you install. And then it will show you this one. In some phones it will this security scan will come up in some phones, and so we open it. Then here we go, app gallery, and I'm not allowing that. And you go to search and you search in AI Life. Then you go install this. Okay, but in some devices it will tell you to do this, all these things, because this is not an app that was designed, like you cannot download this from the Play Store. So you have to do these steps that are showing you, and it will show you that it will show you all this, that it's dangerous. And but if you like, you have to make sure that you are make sure that these are safe apps. But this app, the way I'm showing you, this is safe, and you have to just do what it's showing in this. So and then now we install this. And you tap install AI Life. And because it's an Android, because this is the phone I'm using is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, so it's showing that this was not designed to be, it was made for an older version of Android. And you can, and then you see install anyway. Okay, and then tap that. And this is AI Life. Hitting agree. I'm using this while using the app, and I have to log in. Like, you can log into this device, but I'm going to show you how to connect your device. So first you take your this one, but make sure Bluetooth is turned on for this steps. First you open this, then you see add device, go there, and then there's a button on the side of your this thing. I already connected this through Bluetooth, but the thing you have to do is there's a button right here, so you hit this for 2 seconds, and this light will start flashing, and then I'm going to show you how to scan, and then you scan it, and then you connect to this, and it will show you this. So it's saying pair and connect, so I'm pairing and connecting and pair, and now it's connected to this device. And that's all you have to do to connect your device to your mobile device. So that's all. So guys, that was all, and make sure to like, comment on this video and subscribe. And sorry that I didn't upload for a really long time. I will try to upload more, and thank you.